If you got some pipe that needs supporting, this might just be the tool for you. This Garvee rolling pipe support supports up to 2,500 pounds. Got a good old-fashioned tripod setup. A little screw to lock things down right here. Another screw to lock things down right here. And a little thing here to make sure everything's locked in position as well. You can still rotate it once things are locked into position, or you can hold this little doohickey and spin the head and raise the business end of this thing incrementally. So it goes from 28 inches on up to 54 inches in height. Has a grab handle too. This is all made of steel. This is all made of metal, no plastic going on here. And again, it's supposed to support about 2,500 pounds. Seems like a decent piece of kit for what it is. What are you doing, Mara? Digging a hole. Okay, helpful. So to change your height, we just need to pull this up. This little locking collar locks it in place. Pull it up to lower it. If you need to pack this thing away real compact, you can pull that all the way out. Take your tripod, loosen up the bottom, fold this sucker up to go in your truck. So you can fold it up into two pieces if you want, but you don't need to. So we redeploy, screw that down to lock it. Put this big boy down in here and drop it to whatever height you need it at. And again, incremental heights can be changed right here. Just screw that up to wherever you exactly need it. And if you still need to change your angle, you can still do that without it changing its incremental height. And if we want to lock in exactly where it is, we can screw it on the back. No, it's locked, so it ain't moving. That screw right on the back. So, yep, overall seems like a decent piece of kit. This thing is not light duty. It is weighty for what it is. And again, it's supposed to hold about 2,500 pounds. So I could take a little seat on it, I guess. But I'd probably roll off it because these rollers roll super easy.